Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another Laco video and I've been really excited to take a look at this watch and show you this watch. I haven't had a sneak peek or anything yet, so this is also going to be my first time seeing this watch. So before we open it up, wristwatch check. I am wearing my Aquastar Deep Star 2 still. I have swapped from a gray Deluxe CTS rubber strap to a white, which I'm really happy with, and I just love this watch. So let's just get right into it. The unboxing, I guess, is not so interesting, but oh, it's not even closed. I actually haven't opened it up, so that's kind of weird, but all right. So here it is. It is the new limited edition from Laco. This is the Aachen Polar 42mm, and yeah, in the box, nothing exciting. I guess I could show you the booklet. There you see the Aachen, and we should probably find the Augsburg in here somewhere. There we go. I usually prefer the Augsburg, but this time it's the Aachen. So I'm gonna change the perspectives and we're gonna zoom in on this watch. Alright, so here is the Laco Aachen 42 Polar with the white dial and some blue details, as you can see, which catches the light quite beautifully. The rest is, everything you know from before. Miura movement with hacking, sapphire crystal, obviously. These are limited to 250 pieces each, so 250 of the B dial and 250 of the A dial. And I've done a video of these limited editions of pretty much everyone, with the taupe and the olive, and I like those a lot. This one, I'm not sure. Like, I don't love the white and the blue. It's not for me personally, so I can understand if people like it, but for me, it is not really my kind of style, and especially also with the lume, which is quite like yellow. I think it like, to me, it just doesn't work. But still, it is a handsome watch. If you like white and blue, then very nice. It is obviously a limited edition, so that is always cool. These usually sell out really quickly. They might already be sold out. I'm not sure. If they're not sold out, you should probably be quick if you want one. I can leave a link in the description if you're interested in purchasing one. I'm going to show you what it would look like on my wrist. 42mm is too big for me. Well, it looks ridiculous on camera, but it is a little too big for me. And I have a Laco in 37mm of Flieger Pro, which I'm going to show you in another video. And I've also had a few 39s. 42 is just not possible for me to pull off. It is a Flieger watch though, so they are supposed to, I guess, look a little bit big. But if you are like curious on what size you should pick, I do have a video on that where I compare the 39 and the 42. So you can check that out if you are curious. And yeah, this was just a quick video to show you guys the new limited edition offering from Laco. I'm quite disappointed this year, but that's just a personal opinion. There's nothing wrong with the watch, and I think the watch is really good. Value for money, and yeah, if you like it, get it. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching this super quick video. I hope you guys have a lovely day, and goodbye.